Easy, easy.
As you are aware, we just finished our ESCO meeting, which basically looked at the proposal for the 2026 budget. With me is a special advisor on economic matters, newly sworn in, and the special advisor on finance, also newly sworn in. As you are aware, the Governor's Military Administration is determined to breach the lost grounds. And for that reason, a very robust budget figure has been arrived at after a very conscious deliberation to put our state where it needs to be. I will now invite the Special Advisor on Economic Matters, Professor Peter Mede, to give us a rundown of what we came up with in terms of figures. Essay.
Thank you. We continue to say that the State Executive Council has graciously approved the aggregate sum for the provision of goods and services of Rivers State for the year 2026 in the figure of 1,854,248,734,475 naira 76 kobo as the volume of the budget for 2026. The main trucks of the year 2026 proposed estimate has been fashioned to enable the state accomplish and conclude ongoing projects, as well as clear out outstanding obligations in key critical sectors such as infrastructure, health, education, agriculture, human capacity development, youth empowerment, culture, tourism, information and communication technology, etc. It is against this backdrop that the State Executive Council has respectfully approved and considered that the budget theme for 2026 is a budget of resilience for growth and development. This budget is so Christian because the priority of the state government for the year 2026 is for recovery, restoration, reassurance, consolidation, and inclusivity. This is because, in spite of the many challenges that the state government has remained resilient, dogged, and focused on achieving the key targets as our commitment to the people of Rivers State. Thank you.
You've heard him, the breakdown of our deliberations and the figures that were agreed on.